Hello everyone. Continuation with this opioid analgesic chapter. This video contains the other derivatives like phenylpiperidine analogs, diphenylheptanes, benzomorphan derivatives, etc. This phenylpiperidines are nothing but this phenyl ring is substituted on this piperidine ring system. It is not only a piperidine, it is 1-methyl piperidine ring with ester group is substituted. When replacement of this phenyl group by any other hydrogen or alkyl group, it decreases the biological activity. It also heterocyclic group, it reduces the analgesic activity. This placement of this phenyl and ester group at the fourth position of this 1-methyl piperidine gives the optimum activity. When we insertion of this meta-hydroxy group on phenyl ring system, this meta-hydroxy group on phenyl ring system, it increases the biological activity. Examples are bimidone and ketobimidone. When further this ester is replaced with acyloxy functional group, it shows a better analgesic and spasmolytic activity. When replacement of this ester with this acyloxy functional group, it increases the or better analgesic and spasmolytic activity. Further, this 1-methyl group is replaced with aryl group, it increases the activity. Example is piminodine. It is not in this slide. And when the substitution of piperidine ring by 5-membered like pyrrolidine ring, it also increases biological activity. Example is prodilidine. When replacement of this piperidine ring with azepine ring system at a 7-member ring system containing nitrogen atom with 1-methyl group, it also shows a better biological activity. Example is proheptazine. Further, this esters of meperidine is replaced by propanoxy functional group. It shows biological activity. In the modification of these two functional groups are substituted on piperidine ring system, but insertion of this nitrogen between them, it form a fentanyl series. It's also good biological activity when groups are directly attached to the piperidine ring, but it should be separated from the nitrogen or fentanyl series. Compounds are fentanyl and sulfentanyl. This nitrogen is inserted between them. Further, second class is diphenylheptane derivative. Example is methadone. When diphenylheptane means replacement of these two phenyl ring systems are decreases the biological activity. When we substitute this hydroxy at the meta position, is also decreases the biological activity. Removal of any of two phenyl ring results in decreased activity. These are the structural activity relationship of this diphenylheptane derivatives. When replacement of one phenyl ring with this heterocyclic ring called as morpholine and this piperidine, that is phenodoxone and dipenon, it's good like biological activity. When N-methylated metabolites also possess analgesic activity. Further, this morphinans derivative, these various compounds belonging to morphinan and benzomorphans are there. Ethers are replaced with this 4,5 ether is replacement. This ethylene bridge is replaced. Ethylene bridge is replaced between carbon number 4 and 5. The Leo form possesses the analgesic activity, and dextro form is having cup suppressant activity. And the last one is benzomorphans. When removal of ether bridge by acyling ring was replaced by 1 or 2 methyl group, insertion of methyl group at carbon number 9 increases the analgesic activity. Further, this N-methyl phenylethyl analog possesses greater activity than N-methyl analogs, and these are the examples of pentazocine, cyclazocine are antagonists from the benzomorphan series, because this N-methyl is substituted or replaced with furfuryl group into benzomorphan, provides a new series of agonist and antagonist property. The isomers like cis and trans of compounds of benzomorphan series are having different properties in their physical dependence of activity. It is pentazocine, it is cyclazocine and metazocine. When methyl group is substituted with methyl cyclopropyl, or it is unsaturation, carbon-carbon double bond, shows good biological activity towards this. This is the antagonist from the benzomorphan series. Thank you. This is regarding three classes like phenyl piperidines, diphenylheptanes and benzomorphans.